Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 40 plus body health problems vocabulary. Diarrhea. I keep running to the bathroom. I think I have diarrhea. Constipation. I'm having trouble passing stool. I might be constipated. Nausea. I feel like I'm going to throw up. I might be nauseous. Vomiting. I feel nauseous and keep vomiting. I might have food poisoning. Sore throat. My throat hurts when I swallow. I have a sore throat. Cough. I can't stop coughing. I need to take some cough syrup. Runny nose. My nose won't stop running. I must have caught a cold. Fever. I feel hot and achy. I am suffering from fever. Allergies. I keep sneezing and my eyes are itchy. I think I'm having allergies. Rash. I have red spots all over my skin. I might have a rash. Sunburn. My skin is really red and sore. I might have a sunburn. Upset stomach. My stomach feels sick. I might have eaten something bad. Stomachache. My stomach hurts. I have a stomachache. Headache. My head hurts. I have a headache. Migraine. I have a throbbing headache. It might be a migraine. Earache. My ear hurts. I might have an ear infection. Backache. My back hurts. I have a backache. Dizziness. I feel like I'm spinning. I might be dizzy. Pimple. I keep getting pimples. My skin is breaking out. Swelling. I have swelling in my ankle. It's really painful. Fatigue. I feel tired all the time. Maybe I need more rest. Muscle cramps. I keep getting leg cramps. I might be dehydrated. Sprained ankle. I twisted my ankle. It's really sore. Asthma. I'm wheezing and having trouble breathing. I might have asthma. Acid reflux. I have heartburn after eating. I might have acid reflux. Insomnia. I can't sleep at night. I might have insomnia. Sleep apnea. I snore loudly. I might have sleep apnea. Anemia. I feel tired all the time. I might have anemia. Diabetes. I'm thirsty all the time. I might have diabetes. High blood pressure. My heart is pounding. My blood pressure might be high. Low blood pressure. I feel dizzy and lightheaded. My blood pressure might be low. Arthritis. My joints are stiff and sore. I might have arthritis. Osteoporosis. I fractured my wrist easily. I might have osteoporosis. Eczema. My skin is itchy and red. I might have eczema. Psoriasis. I have red, scaly patches on my skin. It might be psoriasis. Rosacea. My face is flushed and has red bumps. It might be rosacea. Acne. I keep getting pimples. I might have acne. Gingivitis. My gums are bleeding. I might have gingivitis. Tooth decay. I have a toothache. I might have tooth decay. Cavities. I have a sharp pain when I eat sweets. I might have cavities. Halitosis. My breath smells bad. I might have halitosis. Insect bite. I have a swollen bump from a bug. I might have been bitten by an insect. Tinnitus. I hear ringing in my ears. I might have tinnitus.